How do you sell a home that needs work? I work with a lot of investors, and so here's some helpful tips if you are listing a home with me that needs a little work. If we're selling a fixer-upper and you have noticeable problems, it can bring a couple issues into the equation and make it more complicated to sell. Let's fix that before we list the property. Inventory is now increasing, which is great, and buyers have more options to choose from. So if your home needs repairs, it may not be the first choice for a buyer. A lot of people are choosing turnkey homes that are completely move-in ready and don't require a lot of work. However, there are some investors like myself and bargain hunters out there that want to buy a property in the right location if it's priced right for the repairs to take place after they buy your home. To sell a fixer-upper, there are 3 things we should do before we list it. First, let's get a home inspection. My trusted inspectors can walk through your home and prepare a home inspection report, because if you know the property is in bad shape but you don't know the extent, a professional can help you with that. Once you've identified what needs to be fixed, you can evaluate whether you can afford to fix those before we list the property, or if we'll just go ahead and list it as is. Next, we can consider selling it to an investor or a bargain hunter. I have a pool of investors looking for different types of properties, and we can send it out off market first, or we can list it to the general public and see who wants to buy your property. A lot of real estate investors don't want to live in the house, and they want to repair and upgrade it so that they can sell it and earn a profit. Typically, they could pay with cash or even give us an as-is offer, which means you need to make no repairs before you sell. Bargain hunters, on the other hand, are looking for the right location, and so if your home is priced accurately and it needs work, they're willing to take on the work after they purchase the property. Location's always key, so we need to be realistic with your price. It is not the same market that it was a year or even 2 years ago, and pricing your home correctly is the first way that we can aim for competitive offers and drive the amount of offers, hopefully again, into the multiple offers. Pricing accurately is especially true for homes that are not in the best condition, so we need to set reasonable prices and expectations together and make sure that we do our research on the market. That's my job, and I look into a competitive CMA before and present you with the pricing strategy that I think will be the best way to sell your home. I hope this helped, and I'll talk to you guys soon.